What in the hell is happening? Oh shit. That's pretty savage, actually. Today I'm with the Kleb, and I'm on the GSXR. That's right, I got it back. I'll tell you a little bit about that in a second. So yeah, the GSXR is back. I picked it up from Chaparral yesterday. Unfortunately, I had to drop off the trunk because we all know what happened to that thing. I just can't have anything nice, man. I don't know what's happening. Anyway, today I have a few updates for you, some really good ones too. I'm not gonna get into it right now because I just wanna ride a little bit and have a little bit of fun first. You understand, right? Let's go to the left. Go to the left. Man, it feels good to be on this bike. I missed it. She's back, guys. She's back. What a bizarre individual that man is. I wish I had something to throw at him. I don't know if I ever told you what was really wrong with the GSXR or not. You remember a few videos ago where Caleb and I, we rode up that crazy hill and I crashed a couple times. Well, the bike fell over and smashed the neck of the radiator. Feels good to wheelie this bitch. Anyway, took the Chaparral, they figured it all out, they fixed it, the bike is mint again. To me, it's running, it's great, and it's not overheating. Dude, I love being on this bike, it feels great. Yeah. I'm good, just waiting for a friend. How are you?
Okay, right?
Yeah, all set. Thanks for asking.
Good morning.
Hello. Okay, back to it. So right now we're on our way to Corona. We're gonna meet up with Many Bikes, Kyle Bradshaw. If you guys are familiar with Chaparral, you definitely know who that guy is. And then from there we're gonna ride around just a little bit and grab some food. Then I have something real special for you. I'm gonna show you how to get free monsters. No joke. Is this Prius doing 100 miles an hour? I think it is. This might be the fastest Prius on the planet. Ah. Let's race. Let me tell you one of the things that was upgraded while the bike was at Chaparral. Remember how I partnered with LUIMOTO? The best seat company in the world? While the bike was at Chaparral, LUIMOTO built me a seat, sent it to Chaparral. When I picked the bike up yesterday, it had a brand new seat on it. And today's the first day I'm riding around on this new seat, and I can tell you what, nice. To be fair, they are a channel partner, but I'm not gonna let that affect how I really feel about the product. If I didn't like it, I'd tell you. And right now, I can tell you my ass likes it. It's good. It's a cushy seat. And the seat looks great. When I get off the bike here in a minute, I'll show you what it looks like. I'm really impressed with it.
What's up, dude?
So the GSXR, it's good.
Nice.
I think you guys did the trick, man. Chaparral, right on.
That's good.
We're gonna put the 91 in it, dude. She needs it.
How are you feeling this morning?
While the bike was at Chaparral, LUIMOTO built this seat and they sent it and it was installed. Did you put the seat on?
I did.
He did.
This thing's freaking awesome, man.
I kind of like it.
What would make it even better?
No, don't do that.
Look, it's ribbed for his pleasure.
LUIMOTO, quality shit.
Hell yeah.
All right, so let's go eat.
I thought we were going to steal the moms.
That's after we eat. So you know where we're going, right?
Nope.
You ever been to a hibachi restaurant? Like Benihana type stuff?
Yeah.
Flames, the fires, the steaks, the shrimps, the... Anyway, that's where we're going today. I don't know how to get to this place. I sent you the directions. Will you just stick it into your phone? All right, you're the leader. Okay. Dude, I'm hungry, man. I love these hibachi spots. You guys know that. If it was up to me, I guess it is up to me. But if I thought you guys didn't give a shit, I'd probably eat at these restaurants every week. That was a savage move, Kyle. Kyle runs fast, dude. Whoa, way fast. What in the hell is happening? Oh shit. That's pretty savage, actually. been the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. You guys have to go over to his channel. I'm sure he was recording. I can't wait to see his version of that shit. Oh, jeez. He's crazy. There's like 3 jiu-jitsu places over here. People in Corona must love their jiu-jitsu. Kyle, did we almost watch you just die?
No way. I figured with all the off-roading you guys have been doing, you want to take the easy exit.
I thought you were going to crash down that hill and get run over by a semi-truck.
No way.
You know that dude like swerved and slammed on his brakes and shit.
He didn't like that very much.
He did not.
That was like the most insane shit I've ever seen.
You've never been here?
I've never been here before.
But you like Tepon restaurants?
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
We have a place called Benihana that we go to.
Benihana's generic.
To the slurp can. And it would be legit.
Shogun, man, the food was so good. He paid for his own, but him and I, about $33, man. I even splurged for the ice cream. Oh, you guys ready?
I'm ready for dessert, buddy.
Good news for you. The Monster building is right there. You can see it. I heard a rumor. In the lobby, they have a refrigerator full of free Monsters. Let's go see if it's true.
Let's go.
I realize it's winter and all, but this is a little intense.
100% waterproof, D3O armor, and it's just a one-piece zip.
Is it brand new?
It's brand new, brand new.
Like how brand new?
Like a week and a half old.
How much did it cost?
$1,300.
How's it hold up to dirt?
It likes dirt. I feel like we could do that.
Should we try? All right, Monster. Oh. Thanks, sir. On my way, Prius.
Why is your buddy still wearing his helmet?
Hey, flip your visor. Why are you wearing your helmet? How you doing? Vlogging? Okay. Okay, yeah, I don't know what you're doing because it's
So we walked through the front doors, saw the prize, we saw the coolers, every flavor imaginable. There's probably some flavors that we didn't even know exist. Went for it, didn't know what to say, got caught up. He walked in, got thrown out immediately. You didn't even get in the door.
No, I got to the door and he's like, "What are you doing wearing a helmet? Take it off."
Yeah, he didn't like that. Security was doing their job in there, man. Good for him. Anyway, this video is going to continue, but you're going to continue on your way. Go back to Chaparral. I'll put a link to his channel in the description of the video. If you guys are interested in seeing what he's doing, go check him out. That totally didn't work out at all. Oh, well. I don't know what the rules are on this one. This is a weird intersection. The security guard at Monster, he's a little intense, but I get it. He's just trying to do his job. Every idiot drives by the Monster headquarters probably wants to go in there, so I get it, I get it. Other than that, man, day's gone pretty good. Had some really good food, had fun. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. I need to shift into 6. There we go. I do have a second channel involved around dirt bikes. If you're into that, I encourage you to go check out that channel. You might like it. It's a big crash fest, really. It's good fun though. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Always add new stuff there. Want to thank all the Patreons of the channel. You know I love each and every one of you. You guys keep me motivated. Couldn't do it without you, wouldn't want to. Also, the channel partners, Chaparral Motorsports, keeping my bikes on the road. The law offices of Henry Haddad, keeping me out of trouble. Voss Helmets, protecting my head. And now LUIMOTO, giving me that cushy seat. I'm really happy with it, man. I've been using the seat all day. No complaints. I like it. With that, I'll catch you guys later.